Welcome to Hangar Talk, a video series of flying tips, comments, and anecdotes that promote airmanship, the artistry of flying with stick and rudder. If you want to become a great flyer, a good stick, there are only two fundamental skills to master. Do not stall and control yaw. Hangar Talk is committed to teaching those fundamentals and to flying for fun, flying with style, and flying safely. An airplane rotates about 3 axes: longitudinal, lateral, and vertical. But you know that. Rotation about each axis is controlled by deflecting a control surface, ailerons, elevator, and rudder respectively. You also know that. Or do you? I find that too many pilots, when learning aerobatic and tailwheel skills, are most inhibited by motor skill habits learned driving a car. They see yaw as the airplane turning. When the nose of the airplane moves left, they react by turning the steering wheel or yoke to the right. That is the wrong reaction. What controls yaw? That's right, rudder. But Jim, how much rudder? You should deflect the appropriate control surface from its neutral position as much as needed to achieve the desired effect. How much rudder? As much as you need. That brings us to the concept of pressure. Pressure is applied to the stick or yoke to deflect a control surface. Large movements are okay if required, but that movement should be done with pressure. Do not yank or jerk an airplane stick or yoke. Many pilots have not learned to use the proper control pressures. Some pilots use movement instead of pressure and over-control the airplane. Other pilots hold pressure and do not realize it. That typically results in chasing airspeed or chasing altitude. The next time you fly, try these 2 exercises and determine if you have mastered the use of control pressure. When you are established in a level turn, make sure your feet are off the rudder pedals and then let go of the stick or yoke. If the nose moves up, you are holding forward pressure. If the nose drops significantly, you are holding back pressure. The other exercise that's fun to do is a series of power-off bump stalls. This is a great maneuver because you probably haven't practiced stalls recently, and you should. With power off, keep increasing the back pressure to hold altitude and eventually stall the airplane. Recover the stall by removing your hands from the stick or yoke. As the nose falls through the horizon, reengage. Reengage means place your hands on the yoke or stick without applying back pressure. Allow the airspeed to build until you can feel control pressure from the elevator. Then apply pressure to recover the dive. Assume a climbing attitude, bleed off airspeed, and stall again. Do this again and again, hence the term bump stall. This maneuver requires patience and a very soft touch on the controls. Do not be in a hurry. Do not gain more than 20 miles per hour between the stalls. Altitude loss should be minimal. I know most pilots hate to practice. I don't know why. Practice is an excuse to fly, a way to have fun, to put enjoyment into your flight time. Select and practice maneuvers that are fun and seek to do them well. Remember, when maneuvering, deflect the proper control surface as much as you need to, but do it with pressure. Develop a habit to unload during turns to guard against over-control. If you enjoyed the show, please tell your friends. You can enjoy monthly postings of Hangar Talk on my website, DillonAviation.com. Please consider my books and DVDs for yourself, and especially as a gift for low-time or student pilots. These items are available on my website or directly from Amazon.com. Thank you for watching. Until next time, this is Jim Alsop reminding you, fly high, have fun, and keep the blue on top.